Bright open floor plan ready for quick move-in. Seller has beautifully maintained this home. Many upgrades throughout. Newer high efficiency HVAC system, hot water heater, Jenn-air oven and cooktop, Bosch Stainless dishwasher, Samsung French door refrigerator, Irrigation system 2014, LiftMaster garage door opener, new microwave, roof replaced 2011 with 50-year shingles, leaf guard gutters, the backyard fencing is Longevity PVC. The list goes on and on. Enjoy sitting on your covered back porch, easily sceened in, and take delight in the beautiful garden and peaceful setting. All one-floor living with 4 bedrooms on the first floor. Need a little getaway? The bonus room is multi-purpose on the second floor and has its own HVAC zone.